In Maon there lived a very wealthy man named Nabal, whose property was in Carmel. He had 3,000 sheep and 1,000 goats, and he was shearing his sheep. His wife was Abigail, intelligent and beautiful, but Nabal was harsh and evil in his dealings. David had protected Nabal's shepherds and flocks in the wilderness, making sure nothing was stolen. So when Nabal was shearing, David sent 10 young men to politely ask for provisions. He said, "Give whatever you can find for your servants and for your son David." Nabal scoffed at the request. "Who is David? Who is this son of Jesse? Many servants are breaking away from their masters these days. Should I take my bread, water, and meat and give it to men I don't know?" His reply was arrogant and insulting. When David heard it, he was furious. He told his men, "Strap on your swords." About 400 men went with him to pay Nabal back, leaving 200 with the supplies. One of Nabal's servants told Abigail what happened. He said David's men had been a wall of protection for them, and now Nabal's rash words would bring disaster on the household. Abigail acted quickly. Without telling Nabal, she loaded donkeys with 200 loaves of bread, 2 skins of wine, 5 dressed sheep, roasted grain, 100 cakes of raisins, and 200 cakes of pressed figs. She sent the servants ahead and followed behind. When she met David, she bowed to the ground and took the blame on herself. She said, "Please forgive your servant's presumption. The Lord will certainly make a lasting dynasty for my lord, because you fight the Lord's battles. Let no wrongdoing be found in you. When the Lord has done all the good things he promised and appointed you ruler over Israel, you will not have the staggering burden of needless bloodshed." David was struck by her wisdom. He blessed God for sending her, saying, "You have kept me from bloodshed this day and from avenging myself with my own hands." He accepted her gifts and sent her home in peace. When Abigail returned, Nabal was holding a feast like a king and was very drunk, so she told him nothing until morning. The next day she told him everything David had planned. His heart failed him and he became like stone. About 10 days later, the Lord struck Nabal and he died. When David heard Nabal was dead, he said, "Praise be to the Lord, who has upheld my cause against Nabal and kept his servant from wrongdoing." David then sent word to Abigail, asking her to become his wife. She bowed down and replied, "I am your servant, ready to serve you and wash the feet of my Lord's servants." She quickly got ready, mounted a donkey with 5 of her female servants, and went with David's messengers. So Abigail became David's wife.